In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Strategy Execution for Public Leadership course on Harvard, step by step from start to finish. This is a highly respected program designed for public leaders, policymakers, and professionals who want to strengthen their leadership and execution skills. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find the course, enroll correctly, complete the process, and earn a Harvard certification. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step software and course guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type in Strategy Execution for Public Leadership Harvard course. Make sure you're spelling it correctly so you get the official result. Look for links that lead to Harvard University, Harvard Kennedy School, or Harvard Online. These are the legitimate platforms where Harvard hosts its executive and public leadership programs. Avoid third-party sites that look unofficial, as you always want to enroll directly through Harvard's own website. Once you find the official page, click on the course titled Strategy Execution for Public Leadership. This will take you to the detailed course landing page. Here, you'll see a full overview of what the course offers, including the learning objectives, who the course is designed for, the duration, and the expected outcomes. Take a moment to read through this information so you understand what you'll be learning and whether the course aligns with your career goals in public leadership and strategy execution. Next, scroll down the page until you see the Enroll button. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. At this stage, you may be asked to create an account or sign in with an existing Harvard or Harvard Online account. Use a valid email address that you check regularly, as all course updates, receipts, and certification details will be sent there. After signing in, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details. This typically includes your name, professional background, and sometimes your organization or role. Fill in all the required information, accurately. Once your details are complete, you'll move on to the payment section. Review the course fee carefully and select your preferred payment method. Harvard usually accepts major credit and debit cards, and in some cases, employer-sponsored payments. Complete the payment securely and wait for the confirmation screen. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email confirming your enrollment in the Strategy Execution for Public Leadership course. You'll now have full access to the course materials. As you go through the modules, make sure to complete all required lessons, assignments, and assessments. The course is designed to be practical and actionable, so take notes and apply the concepts to real-world public leadership scenarios. Once you successfully complete the course, you'll receive an official Harvard certification. This certificate can be added to your resume, LinkedIn profile, and professional portfolio, helping you stand out as a certified public leadership professional trained by Harvard. And that's it. That's how you access, enroll in, and complete the Strategy Execution for Public Leadership course on Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.